up, YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC. Guys, we got John's big extra 300 here. He just done his maiden flight on. I think it's been set for about a year. He finally got the parts to it. He done his maiden flight. Guys, it flies killer. Now, this is going to be my maiden flight, guys. My maiden flight.
Oh, when you go to take off, did you see how it dipped on me?
Yeah.
Do not let go of the elevator until you get it off the ground. Yeah.
I'm in safe, so I'm going to take off just like you did, I guess.
Alright, mid-right.
Yeah. Here we go, guys. That was that switch. Look at that.
That's crazy.
Look, that's that switch. That's that hover mode. Check it out, guys.
How can I not see it? I'm pointed right at it. There we go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, that hover mode's pretty cool. It just kind of does it itself, you know.
I'm having a hard time tracking that thing for some reason. The camera's got such a glare on it. Ugh. Oh my God.
Son, you got me. I'm gonna bring it back over here on the other side.
Yeah, I can't even see it.
I'm shaking like a leaf. Oh yeah. I'm in high race now. Yeah, it's climbing when you get it out of sight. Look at this. Look. That's hover mode, guys. Look, hands free. Ain't that cool?
Dang, I lost it.
It's still. No, I'm gonna kick it out of hover mode and. Oh, that is pretty cool. That thing's got 7 different modes on it. You know that, don't you?
Yeah, but we had never set them up.
Well, you just have to put them on a switch. That's all you gotta do. Kind of like that one is, you know.
Yeah.
You can hover it, guys. Me hovering it, not the gyro hovering it. Knife edge. Oh Lord, what a knife edge.
Sorry, I lost it. Yeah, I know, I got it.
No.
Try it.
I hate for it to not come out of it, so I'm gonna go way up. No. It's pretty good. And guys, I know I'm keeping it high. I'm just all that high. Look, that hover mode works in safe.
I can't tell if I've got it because of the sun.
Yeah, go over here. Watch this. I'm gonna go up a little bit. Watch this. I'm gonna kick it in the hover mode. Boom. And that's in safe hover mode. Look at that. And look, you can turn it. Make it go forward if you want. Make it go backwards.
Holy crap.
See that?
So check that out, guys.
Spin it.
That's cool.
All right, guys. I guess we're gonna bring her in because it's counting down. And
Beautiful.
turning.
Yeah.
Get out of sight. Well, I put it in low grade to make it a little easier. Well, guys, there you have it. Successful maiden. I know you probably guys couldn't see it a whole lot because I kept it way up in the air.
Dude, toward the end, or about a minute into it, I really dialed it in. I just had to get away from that sun.
All right. Throttle cut on and tested. Alrighty, guys, there we have it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. That hover mode's pretty cool. I'm sure John will be trying that in a little bit.
Oh,
too. Yeah. It works out of safe or in safe. And this thing's got, the radio link's got like 7 different gyro modes. If you all see the little 3D plane radio link come out with, the little 3D plane ready to fly, it's got the same gyro in it. So it's got, 6 or 7 different flight modes that you can do. And it's pretty cool.
I think I'm going to buy that little radio link one.
All right. And you can see how much throws, guys. That's 100% on highs, 75 and 50. So.
Yes, my child is walking up to the plane, but we have throttle cut on.
Anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Till we do it again, stay fine and God bless. Bye, bye, bye.